Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Look at that flag. Wind is coming right at me. 15-mile-an-hour plus. You can look at the plane just sitting there, rocking back and forth. Yeah, I'm gonna go fly in this. I'm a nut. I'll rename myself Crazy Guy Flies RC. So here we go. Run. That plane is like, what are you putting me in? Come on now. What are you, nuts? Ah! Yeah, and a low wing. I'm gonna fly a low wing in this weather. Go figure. Yeah, there'll be no greaser landings or beautiful landings today. It'll be getting her down in one piece will be a major accomplishment. I used to say don't fly where the weather's really, really bad and put your planes at risk. Well, I don't think I'm listening to my own advice today. But look at that. I'm almost half throttle and she's basically holding still. Boy, that AS3X is absolutely earning its paycheck today. No throttle right now, it's completely off. Alright, got it. Oh, it's gonna be fun trying to land this thing and not crash it. But well, hold on. Let me see if I can't. Yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy. Yeah, this is not my this isn't one of my smarter things to do. Yeah, this wind is she's holding still. She's a kite. She's a sailplane Trojan. Sailplane Trojan. She's finding thermals. She's a glider. When you're doing maneuver, I'm just cutting the throttle off and riding the wind right now. That's all I'm doing. Throttle's off. Oh man. Okay, hurricane. Yeah, if you ever want to know what it's like to fly a plane in a hurricane, well, now you know. I pretty much lost elevator. Feels that way anyways. Alright, I gotta make a slightly better approach. A little bit lower. If you're a new pilot, don't do this. 5-mile-an-hour wind is what you want if you're a new pilot. You don't want to do this kind of crap here. You have to be nuts. Do I dare try to turn around and taxi back? Nope. Well, the good news is now the wind is straight down the runway. Oh, how much is blown away over? Oh, lovely. No damage, of course. Turn the motor off. I gotta say, I'm surprised at how fun this actually is. Look at them little flags. The windsock is on drugs. The flag has lost its mind. And the little flags are now animated zombies at this point. But I'm out here flying. Why not, right? Oh, now just stay upright there, plane. We got 2.5 minutes left, by golly. Let's see. Now that we're down the runway, let's see if we can actually. And I gotta stay on the runway. Okay. We're gonna go into the sun. Try not to look at the sun here. And we're gonna actually try to land into the wind. And not hit me. Yeah. Not one of my smartest things I've ever done. I know I keep saying that, but all right, let's go underneath the sun here.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh. Motor's off. Well, motor off. Let's call that even, because got blown out of my hand. Well, folks, okay. Plane's off. That's just the wind. Well, folks, I think I'm going to call. I think I've had enough, because I'll be honest, flying in this is nuts. I should have Draco out in this. He wouldn't ever. He'd say, "Hold my beer." That's what Draco would. He'd look at this and look at the other planes. He'd say, "Hold my beer, boys. I'll show you how it's done." I'm cracking myself up. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Crazy Guy Flies RC. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe. Help this fool out.